Hey guys, so like look how cute and sweet my birds are right now. They're all sitting on the same perch, and I think a couple of them are sleeping, and maybe they all were until I started talking. But you know, this next clip is these two, Sean and Juliet, I think fighting. I don't know what they're doing. So maybe if you guys, if there are any Budgie owners or used to or know anything, check out this next clip and tell me, is this normal or should I be having them separated? I don't know. If you have any comments for me, please give them down below. Please.
Hello. Hey guys, you're doing Dad.
And we're playing some tic-tac-toe right now. Dominic's trying to beat me here, but uh-oh. Now I'm in a spot. I could beat you. I think I'm gonna win this one, guys. See that? I'm gonna win no matter what. No, you can't do that. You can't do that. Cause see, if you would have went there, I'd have went here. Where are we eating? Why?
We're eating at Big Boy's.
Yeah, we are.
At Big Boy,
Yeah. So see, are you playing some tic-tac-toe?
Yeah, but I won.
No, you didn't. You can think you won, but you totally did not win that game.
Yes, I did. Did he get?
What?
We're down to get a Coke, Pepsi.
Yeah, he got a Pepsi Cola. Did you want to play me in a game of tic-tac-toe?
Is that coffee? Yeah.
Yes, it is. That's some delicious coffee I'm gonna drink.
I'm gonna be X.
You're gonna be X's, so I'll be O's. All right. That's fine.
X.
Alright, let's see. So I'm gonna go with the go-to spot there. Two lefties playing some tic-tac-toe. Ooh. You did not get me, son. You did not get me. I guess I'll go there because it doesn't matter now. Cat's game. Alright, I'll say you can go first again.
I'm gonna go O's this time.
You're gonna go O's? That doesn't make much sense. Alright, I'm still gonna go same spot.
How about this?
Ooh.
Now you can't.
Oh, I will have ketchup.
I'm gonna do that one. Oh, snap. Oh, you didn't see this happening?
Oh, dang it!
I am the tic-tac-toe champion right now.
Okay, now we're gonna switch every time. So this is X again.
Do you want to play Wyatt? Or are you gonna play against Dominic? Sit down.
Yeah.
Alright, are you gonna play me again? This is the rematch? This is the rematch? Alright, I'm gonna go over there this time. It's a tough game. What?
X.
You can put me around.
I will in a second, okay? Oh no, what can I do to win here?
Oh, I know what you're gonna do.
I know what I'm gonna do.
Can I wait?
I'm gonna go like this.
Hello.
Oh no, look, that was the epic move, you know why? Because you blocked me here. But you didn't block me down there.
Oh, dang it. That was tricky.
Hey, I remember my first time playing tic-tac-toe.
And we're gonna go, oh, this time I'm not gonna go there. I'm gonna go in the middle.
Oh, snap. Alright, I'm gonna go down there. Let's see. Oh, that's tough.
Okay.
Alright, here we go.
Wanna go that way?
Oh man. So
Can I make my
now,
own food?
here's the trick. Now see how the board
No, you
is?
don't
Yeah.
get that.
If I go
Your
here,
food's coming. This is what we got.
I'll maybe have a shot there, but now if I put my guy here,
Oh
I
God.
have
What?
two
You wanna
shots.
try my
So I
No,
instantly win, right?
no.
No matter what you do, I'm gonna win.
Dang.
That was really fun though.
I'm
Wasn't that fun?
gonna ketchup,
And
salt,
education.
and pepper. Salt, pepper. On my food.
This is a must on all things.
And on my pizza, I'll have ketchup.
No, you're not. That sounds kind of gross, bud.
Even this.
No, you're gonna eat your pizza the way it is, man. All right, please. Hey, listen. Please stop.
And by the way, I got
Take a second.
Coca-Cola.
No, it's Pepsi. It's still Pepsi, remember? But yeah, you look at all the characters on there. Here, you know what you could do? Boom. Do you want to draw a picture? Yeah. All right.
Can you just please and check me down here?
Well, I'm gonna have to get up because I gotta go do some stuff. So I'm gonna give the camera to Mom, okay?
Hey guys.
And I draw a picture of you, Dad.
Oh, you're gonna draw a picture of me?
Well, you holding my hand.
Oh, thanks.
This food kind of smells good. Ooh, we got oyster. Oh, lovely. Oyster crackers.
Can't you believe?
What I got? Yeah.
That's pizza and fries
And salt to go with fries.
and a lot of.
And then
How many desserts can you get?
None if you don't eat all your food.
Hold on, so I can probably get a whipping flour.
You could if you ate all your food.
And maybe vanilla shaken out.
No.
Oh, you're gonna get 3 things?
No, we're just gonna get 2.
No, you're not. You can't even finish the pizza.
You only got 1 slice and some fries, and you can use the fries to get all that sauce up if you wanted to and have saucy fries.
No. I kind of don't want to chew right now because I have a bit lip. You guys see it? Mom, do you see my bit lip? Right there.
You bit your lip?
Yep.
Oh my god.
What?
Guess the food wasn't making it in his mouth
Did
fast
you not
enough.
say I bit my lip? Not here.
You didn't do it here?
No.
Where did you do it?
At the house. Bit myself.
I'm out. I'm out.
You're out. You can't eat no more.
No, I'm done. I'm out.
Alright, then tap out. There you go. Tap
I
out.
can't.
She can't do it. She can't even. I'm still eating all this cream of broccoli soup.
I'm still eating.
My plate's under that plate
But
now.
I'm not full.
No, you're slow though.
That is so mean to say.
Slow eater. Duh. That's why. Eat over the plate.
So, how's your pizza going?
It's going pretty good.
How is Big Boy's pizza?
Not that bad. I'd say the fries are pretty good
What
though.
do you think of that sauce they got on there? It's some good sauce, isn't it?
Sorta.
Yeah, they got good sauce for their kid pizzas. It really is. There that is. For sure. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Coral cod. Big Boy side. I mean, Wyatt's definitely winning in the grand scheme of who's more worthy of dessert, that's for sure.
Oh, dang. What kind of fruit?
Oh, that was on your plate. I'm sorry. I mean, you did get the bar. You can go back and grab some more. You are?
Yep.
Excellent.
Big Boy really does make it kind of fancy, but it's also fast, kind of like fast food restaurant. I mean, the fancy though.
She's gone back to the all-you-can-eat bar for the soup and salad. I think there was ambrosia.
What's that?
You don't know what ambrosia is?
The jello with fruit in it?
Maybe you can ask people in the comments.
I have a fork now.
You can ask people in the comments if they know what ambrosia is or what they call it.
What's ambrosia?
That's the I in C's. It stands for I don't know or because sometimes it's better to not know. C's.
Seize the day.
Yeah, where me and Wyatt are going to be motivational speakers.
You guys are awesome.
Yep. We're actually going to also start a law firm, and it's going to be an injury law firm. It's going to be called Accidentes. Have you heard of it? You will. You will.
I'm gonna make a walk dog.
Actually, what flavor is that?
That's
You got
half
pizza
and
face.
half. Yeah, he has
You
pizza
have pizza
face.
face.
This is
Yeah.
Big Boy half and half. See it on the camera there?
Yeah.
Big Boy half and half. Fresh.
What did you just say to me?
I said, did you got room for one more cup of soup? Because I just put fresh cream and broccoli up there.
Oh. Do I look like I have room for one more bowl or cup?
You look like you could eat a sandwich.
I'm out. I already told you. I'm
She
out
looked
for the
like she
count.
could. You guys think that she could have ate another cup of? Look at. Let me just look at this soup. Like it's like just freshly made.
Mom, do it.
No.
Freshly made.
No, I'm done. I'm out. I already tapped out. I'm done.
She did, but I mean, I don't know. Like soup is my weakness. So
It's not your one weakness, Mom.
I mean,
No, it is not.
You can literally eat.
I love soup a lot.
My weakness is fruit, and I did shove some of that down my throat. Because I really
Just look at that soup.
Is that just too?
All right, you ready? Ready?
You gotta do it from the
No, it would have looked like it. Ready?
Here.
Ready? Oh wait, I can't do it behind your head though. That won't work. The way I did it, cause look, like I made it so you could like see the spoon, but then I covered the spoon up, and then I took it back away. So like, except the sun's really in the camera now.
Yeah. Oh, guys, just to let you guys know.
Oh, selfie.
Hey, she does not really.
Mannequin challenge.
She looks like she ate about like 2 more cheeseburgers. 2 whole cheeseburgers.
You win because it keeps flickering on his face, and he keeps drinking his pop. All right, now it's mine and Wyatt's turn. You gotta hold it though.
Mannequin.
Oh my gosh, did that hurt?
No, I'm good.
Are you sure?
I can
Oh,
hold
are you
it.
ready?
No, I will hold it. Your hands are all messy.
3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, mannequin challenge.
I try to move that. So I won. Try to move the eyebrows. I did it.
Don't eat my soup.
You won, Wyatt.
The thing is, I just like to keep my
Now
eyes
it's
closed.
time for
Oh, yeah.
me and Wyatt.
Time
for me.
Let me see your teeth.
Ouch. Hit my bit.
Okay, well, don't open your mouth. You were eating. I was just looking at your front teeth. And the spaghetti sauce. The pizza sauce. On your face. You gonna save that for later?
Mom, how about you put me and Wyatt? Or how about that? How So how about we both do the mannequin challenge
Oh my
again?
god, did somebody cut themselves on this knife?
All right, mannequin challenge. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Dominic already looked down. And then you're gonna start singing some Smash Mouth. You lose. You both lose.
No. Now how about you both do the mannequin challenge?
No.
We already did. I want to finish my bowl of soup. Okay.
Turn it all the way around.
All the way till it won't go anymore.
Come on.
Just blow it off. You're fine. Oh, look, here's the big boy. Here, go stand by him. Say hi, dude.
Hi, dude. I want to be God. I like my God.
Oh, I really want to make like a workaholic and I'll like.
Like your bubble gum?